Keemraj, first is a Cineflick man, and मैं देख कर क्या हैप्पी पटेल. I know, not so great decisions taken in the beginning of 2026, but who does? So अगर मैं बात करूँ about Happy Patel, so let me just set this for you. It is about a guy who has to take out a girl from a cartel in Goa, and who has he been sent by? MI7, an international spy agency, and they picked up this guy who does not even know how to assemble a sniper rifle. I know. The plot is weird. The plot is ridiculous. But that is the thing about comedy. That there is this fine line जिसके ऊपर कॉमेडी है और जिसके नीचे बॉर्डम है, ठीक है. It does cross this line sometimes towards boredom, but it remains in a pretty good part of comedy, right? Yeah. तो मोटा मोटा मेरे को इस मूवी के बारे में जितना लगा that it is pretty nice and pretty well shot. Okay, so एक एक करके एनालाइज करते हैं. Let's open to the story first. ओके, तो बात करें अगर इसके राइटिंग एस्पेक्ट्स की, तो फिर ऑनेस्टली मेरे को लगता है दैट इसमें कैरेक्टराइजेशन सबसे बढ़िया है. मैं ऑनेस्टली कहूँगा इट्स अ ग्रेट कैरेक्टराइजेशन. आई नो प्लॉट इसका थोड़ा खोखला लगता है, मतलब थोड़ा सा लगता है, बट ओवरऑल मैं कहूँगा कि काफ़ी फन मूवी है ये. मतलब इसमें जोक्स काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से प्लान किए गए हैं. लाइक इन ऑब्जर्वेशन जो मतलब मेरे एक टीचर ने मेरे को यू कैन से रिफ्लेक्ट करवाई थी दैट ये मूवी इतनी स्मार्ट है दैट जहाँ पे भी जोक्स प्ले आउट होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे इनफ स्पेसेस दे रखे हैं फॉर यू टू लाफ, आफ्टर विच यू नो द नेक्स्ट जोक प्लेज आउट, विच इज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई नोटिस्ड एट द फर्स्ट साइड. बट जब मैंने अभी व्हेन आई थिंक अबाउट इट, yes, it is a very smart movie that is written pretty well. बात करें अगर कैरेक्टराइजेशंस की, सो देयर आर वेरी फन एंड डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स इन दिस. मतलब ये जो मूवी है ये मतलब सारे रूल्स ब्रेक करती है, ठीक है, नियरली सारे रूल्स ब्रेक करती है. Like there are definitely side characters, there are definitely some great villains. हर एक कैरेक्टर जो है वो अपने अपने तरीके से क्वर्की लेवल है. हर कैरेक्टर के अपने क्वर्क्स हैं. जैसे हैप्पी के अपने खुद के पर्सनल क्वर्क्स है, कुकिंग. फिर देयर इज द फीमेल लीड काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर which is played by मिथिला पाटनकर. But this movie comes from Amir Khan Productions, and they have not produced a bad movie since a very long time. They know how to make some great sense of movies and some good movies. So honestly मैं कहूँगा that this movie is definitely having some substance. As far as the pacing is concerned, इसकी pacing थोड़ा सा starting में you can say slow burn है, थोड़ा सा, ज़्यादा नहीं. मतलब उसके बाद वो थोड़ा थोड़ा पिकअप कर लेती है. बट कंसिडरिंग कि ये कॉमेडी मूवी है एंड द राइटर, डायरेक्टर एंड एक्टर इन दिस मूवी इज अ पर्सन हु मेक्स एंड क्रिएट्स स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी, that is something pretty fun, you know. Like if I had to say anything about the writing of this movie, I would definitely say that it is a senseless movie for the sensible people. So look out for that. Let's hop on to the visuals. Let's hop on. तो अगर मैं बात करूँ अबाउट द विजुअल्स ऑफ दिस मूवी, बिकॉज इसके विजुअल्स पर्टिकुलरली अच्छे हैं. लाइक इसका जो विजुअल पैलेट है, इट रिमाइंड्स मी अ लॉट अबाउट लापता लेडीज. लाइक उसका और इसका विजुअल पैनल मेरे को काफी सिमिलर लगता है. नाउ डोंट आस्क मी व्हाई, बट लगता है, ठीक है. इट डेफिनेटली गिव्स दैट फीलिंग. वीएफएक्स का इसमें बहुत कम यूज है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब पूरा एक बैकग्राउंड जो है वो वीएफएक्स चल रहा है वहाँ पे एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स इज जस्ट एज इज, ठीक है. देयर इज डेप्थ टू इट, और जहाँ जहाँ पे वीएफएक्स यूज किया है वहाँ पे पता लग रहा है वीएफएक्स यूज किया है. It's pretty noticeable. So I won't say that it is having anything to learn in terms of visual quality, but like definitely it knows how to use a great set of color palettes and how to use text and how to use inserts to create more comedy and more dramatics to the entire plot, which was quite fun, which was, I honestly am going to say, quite fun. ये जो बीच में अगर आप देखोगे in the movie, that Happy comes up with these different recipes that he fixes on the spot, and फिर उनका एक special insert आता है of that particular dish. वो मुझे लगता है that it must have been decided on a post production, not on the spot. But अगर वो राइटिंग में ही लिखा गया था तो बहुत ही कूल है. अगर वो पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में भी लिखा गया था देन ऑल्सो इट फिट्स प्रिटी वेल. तो ओवरऑल मैं कहूँगा दैट इसके विजुअल्स काफ़ी अच्छे हैं एंड आई पर्सनली enjoyed this movie a lot, visually a lot. So there is that. Next thing that we can definitely go towards is the music section because इसका music कुछ different है. So let's hop on to there, right? Talking about the music of this movie, इस movie का music बहुत different है. Like हम लोगों को normal spy movies में किस चीज़ की आदत है? With the girl, you can say with the hot item number, with you can say entire you can say the guy and the girl on a celebratory dance or something like that. We are used to that, you know. This movie does the exact opposite, where it showcases, instead of the girl dancing, there is this proper song saying आज बंदा तेरे लिए नाचेगा. I mean, breaking stereotypes, like I'm pretty open for it, definitely. So overall, in those terms, I would say that the music is very creative, very creative. As far as the background score is concerned, iska background score, it's pretty not, I would say it's pretty standard, which is the only thing normal about this movie. मतलब इसमें काफी standard background music का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. And it is something that you won't notice a lot, but there is definitely points जहाँ पे आप थोड़ा आपको feel होगा कि हाँ यहाँ पे अगर background music different होता तो situation कुछ और ही लगती. And that's what the smart part is about using the background score. But इसका music है इसका main चीज, which is the fun part about it, that कि हर एक music को सही position पे रखा गया है. And with every single track having its own set of creative set of comedy, and that particular track just breaking its entire, you can say, standard in the industry. So a pretty rule breaking album. So it's fun. Okay, so you are definitely going to enjoy it in those terms. Next section should definitely be about the acting. And I really have to say something about that. So let's hop on to the acting. अगर मैं बात करूँ about the acting of this movie, तो फिर इस मूवी में देखो primarily there is वीर दास, जिसको हम लोगों ने गो गोआ गॉन में देखा है in his personal stand-up comedy things, and मस्ती ज़ादे, how can we forget that? And the legendary Delhi Belly. So इन चार movies में मुझे primarily वीर दास याद आते हैं, and I'm going to say that he knows that he cannot act well, and he uses that to his advantage in this movie. So he's having this very creepy set of acting जहाँ पे he uses a very fake accent. Now that is the thing, that उनकी character के quirks ऐसे हैं and उन्होंने अपने acting skills के around अपने character को लिखा है, जिसकी वजह से he does not, he fits in the character pretty well. मेरे को लगता है that if there was somebody else, that person would not fit in this position. So overall, a pretty fun character, a pretty fun acting performance by him. But I would still not recommend him to act. Mithila Patankar. So Mithila, we have known her from little things, from Fiddler Copy videos, from the legendary Manorama 6 Feet Under. Manorama 6 Feet Under? Nahi yaar. Chopsticks, right? Chopsticks. Okay, so we know her from these many positions, and we know that she is definitely capable of acting well. What I would definitely say about this movie, particularly, that she knows she can play off and pull off this creepy sort of a character who is having its own quirks and everything, and it's pretty fun. Talking about Mona Singh, she has got a very nice streak of giving out good performances. She's right now coming up with Korra season 2, definitely waiting for that. She has done her part in Lal Singh Chadda. She has done her part in Bads of Bollywood. She definitely fits in the role of Mama. Okay. It's pretty fun character. So I would say that if you want to watch this movie, definitely go and watch this with your friends. So it's overall a fun movie. It's overall a movie that is not to be analyzed a lot, but it is an overall nice video. I know I'm saying कि इसको analyze नहीं कर रहा है and ये video 10 मिनट की हो चुकी है, but still. So I would say that if you want to really watch this movie, watch this in the theaters. Netflix पे भी same quality मिलेगी या फिर Amazon Prime पे भी same quality मिलेगी, but I would say कि why not just enjoy it in theaters while you can? Why do you want to miss out on experiences? Just go ahead and watch it. Students के लिए special discount है. Why wait? Right? Why wait? That was my review for Happy Patel. If there's something that you want to add to this review, if there is something that you disagree, first of all, keep it with yourself. And if there is something that you do not like, okay, fine, keep it with yourself. If there is something that you want to add, go ahead and write it in the comment section. I'm definitely willing to have a discussion about it. Baki, this is the Cinephilic Man, signing off.